ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekay bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
U Principal Secretary u Bapet Ya Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary u GHP Raju ula Kyrpad ya ki Bor Sanchar jong ka Ribhoy District bakiday ban Pynshitom Mardor ya ki Seng Bhalang ki badon kti ban Khrong Pisa be an na ki trok ki bakit ya ki Jingri Jingdob ki bayat lengba na ka Ribhoy District. U GHP Raju ula ong badangshen ula yo pediang ya ki Jing Ujor baki don katto katni teli ki Seng Bhalang na Ribhoy District ki bala pendik ya ki nongnya trok bat ya ki kalirit ki bakit ya ki siar ki bawan nakajalla Assam shakajalla Meghalaya.
We are very carefully assessing the situation every day, every 24 hours. There are 138 the rapid response teams created by the Animal Husbandry Department. They are in touch with the poultry business people in almost all the 46 blocks in our state to get the feedback immediately and the timely. As of now, it's a positive. Absolutely, there is no signs of any bird flu in our state or in the other northeast. However, the ban to bring the birds, poultry and poultry products from the mainland through the Sri Rampur check gate in Assam, still it is continuous because we are relying on Assam. Because Assam has to lift the ban for allowing the trucks coming from the mainland. We reiterated the Assam stance because finally the bird has to enter the Assam to enter Meghalaya because it's only by rail or by road. So lifting of the ban, we will consult the Assam counterparts and will take the call on that. But however, I would like to flag one more issue before the media for the benefit of the farmers here. I got the complaint that some NGOs, over enthusiastic NGOs in Ribhoy district especially, they are harassing the trucks, they are harassing the mini vehicles carrying the poultry from Assam. They have no business to harass our own farmers. I request these NGOs to desist, to refrain from indulging in illegal activities which are detrimental to the benefit and the business of our local farmers. I got the information that they are extorting money in the name of some NGOs from each truck carrying poultry and the poultry products into Meghalaya from Assam. I am requesting the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy and SP Ribhoy districts to detail an executive magistrate as well as the police and conduct the surprise checks on these so-called NGOs who are harassing and extracting money before the situation go out of control. So I am writing a devo letter to the DC as well as the SP to immediately swing into action to control these NGOs. My appeal to all the NGOs that don't indulge in these type of harassment tactics that will be detrimental to our own farmers. They eat their livelihood by selling the poultry, the 10-15 chicken. I got to know that each trucker has to pay 10,000, 20,000 rupees to these NGOs. It's preposterous. They are our own farmers. And I request the DC as well as the SP of the Ribhoy district immediately swing into action and contain and control these activities of the so-called NGOs. Please take up the cases under extortion for the benefit of our farmers, please. Thanks. Created 138 rapid action teams. Each team comprises of one veterinary doctor and 2 assistants to scout, to be in touch with the farmers, to get the information. These teams are constituted on the same day where we imposed ban. On the same day, the very next day, when the government of India alerted us about the bird flu, immediately we swung into action and created these teams, especially to link up with the farmers. So we have to be in touch with the farmers round the clock. If there is, and we educated and informed the farmers how to identify the signs and symptoms of the bird flu. They are well aware of if there is any sudden dead drop birds found, if there is any normal wild birds as well as our poultry birds, if they suddenly within 24 hours they dead drop, that is a sure sign of the bird flu hit. But fortunately, there are no cases of the bird flu, and these 138 rapid action force, the rapid action teams are on the lookout. We have created a 24 hours the helpline. Any farmer can call this helpline to inform if there is any signs and symptoms of the bird flu. That issue, in fact, some media persons, they flagged before us the shortage of the availability of the poultry and poultry products. There is no shortage first, as per the information available with the Animal Husbandry Department. However, we have to conduct the market survey. The first point, we have not carried out the market survey, but however, we are informing the consumers through the media and the help of the media that not to worry, not to panic. It is safe to consume poultry and poultry products. There is no shortage of the poultry and poultry products for simple reason. Because of these unfounded apprehensions in the minds of the consumers, there is a dip in the purchase of the poultry and poultry products. The demand has come down. The supply, almost in our state, we have nearly 50 million birds. Both the domestic, the backyard farming, and the private poultry owners who are keeping a stock of nearly 4 lakh. The Animal Husbandry Department has nearly 12 the poultry farms where nearly 30,000 birds are housed. So the enough stock is there. Enough stock of the poultry live birds as well as the eggs the stock is available. But however, when there is a dip in the demand, the supply remains the same. As an abundant precaution, some of our farmers as well as our businessmen, they are bringing additional birds from Assam, Mizoram and Tripura side through Ratachara as well as through our East Jaintia Hills district border areas. They are bringing from other northeast states, which is permitted. Whereas bringing the poultry and the poultry birds products from outside Assam, that is from mainland, which we are not permitted. No shortage of the availability of the poultry and the poultry products in our state as of now. If there is anything, please comes to your notice. You are conducting market survey, you are interviewing the marketeers. That's a very good thing. I request you to share the information with us and we will swing into action.